Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we learn variables in Python. First of all, you imagine you have a bunch of boxes. Each box has a label. You can put something inside the box. It's like a number, word, a true or false value, anything. But you can come back to later. What is the inside or anything can be changed. It is a variable. It's something you store in a container, but it is a variable is assigned. Okay, for example, you have age and put the number 25 inside. Later you can open the box, see that is the 25 or change it into 26 because age is not permanently assigned. It is temporarily changed changed between once a year. So another box label like name, his name appear is permanently assigned to a person. Like the word Ravi. Ravi is if anything a person, a Ravi is assigned to a name. It is after some years, it also assigned to his name. Okay, let's. It is start with the Boolean. It's chapter 6.1. Boolean is like a yes or no questions. It's like something, anything one green with true or red with false. Okay. Now let's talk about a special kind of value. True or false otherwise we say that yes or no, or on or off button is etc. Okay. For example, yeah, you might have a variable called is raining. So is it is raining right now? Only if answer like true or false. Yes, it is true, or no, it is false. Okay, in Python, when you check a conditions, something is happened like falsy values, truthy values. Falsy values, empty strings like quarts, zero, empty list, empty dictionaries, and special values. And truthy values like non-empty strings and non-zero numbers and list with items. Okay. Its boolean is assigned if you write in your code if name colon and name is empty. If it is false, name as text. It is true. Python is not like that. Booleans are the foundation of decisions in Python. Okay. In chapter 6.2, local versus global variable. I give the like example like room versus the house. Okay. Room is like locally in the house, there are a lot of rooms and all available. So the house is the main function and the room is the like a part of a section. Okay, let's talk about scope. Its scope is like just a fancy word, but it can see is the variable. Okay, then a bedroom is like a local space inside a function. Anything in the bedroom, only people inside the bedroom can see it. Once you leave the bedroom, the things is disappear. But it is inside in the house. If you create a variable inside a function, it is local by default. Python assume a new pos just for that function. Okay. For example, yeah, if you imagine you have a global counter, it starts at zero. Every time someone visits a page, you want to add one. Inside your function, you write global counter. It's increment or decrement. Increment is like an example plus plus and decrement is minus minus. Then counter plus equal to 1. It tells the Python, don't make a new local counter. Use the one from the living room. It's local versus global variable. It's store the keyword like global keyword and local keyword. Python will create a new local variable, same name, and global, you won't change it. Chapter 6.3, Instance versus class variables. Okay, now I start with the real time example to explore that it is easy to understand. Okay, first of all, class variables like is the name of the school. It written on chalkboard. Every student have schools see the name school name. If school changes its name, every student see the new name. Class variables are shared across all the object. Visually, I tell like that if anything in chalkboard like ABC school or BCD school, anything on written on the chalkboard. But instant variables is like if each student has own name tag, Ravi's name tag Ravi, Priya says name Priya, but they are different. Visually, I talk with that each student has own name tag Ravi, Priya, Hagamanth. Because instant variables are unique to each object, but class variables are shared across all the object. Okay. It is class variables are same for everyone. Like a school name is in a school, there are a lot of students are learned to in the class. So class variables are same for everyone. It is default settings. But instant variables is the different for each object, like student's name, person's age, and product's price also. Okay, then in example from your material student dot school, ABC school is a class variable. All students go to the same school, but self dot name equal to name is an instant variable. Each student has own name. Okay, and here's a cool trick is if you change a class variable, every existing object immediately change it. If you change an instant variable, only the object is changes. Okay. If finally I say that class variable is changing every time, but instant variable is not changed. Only that object is changed.